Channel progress update. Where am I at? What's new? And what can you expect coming up? Hey guys, I'm Sam, and I wanted to give you a quick update on the progress of my channel and what new things I have in the works and what to expect coming up. So I've got my list of stuff to talk about here. Let's jump into it. So first thing is channel progress. At time of releasing this video, it will have been exactly 7 weeks since my channel started. My first video was the building a laser engraver video, and I'm just totally blown away by how far I've come and how far the channel has come and what a positive experience has been so far. So I started the channel as a way to grow myself, become more comfortable, and share my projects with the community. And it's also served as a really great way to motivate me to do more things and get more done rather than procrastinating. So in those 7 weeks, at the time of filming this video, my channel has 354 views and 20 subscribers. And I know that's not many, but what I'm really excited about is all of the encouraging positive comments my videos have been getting. I'm really grateful to you guys for watching, and it's been just super fun to make them, so it's a win-win situation either way. Now, I posted on Instagram a while ago that I wanted to hit 50 subs by the end of the year. If you are enjoying this, please hit subscribe and like this video. I've seen on my YouTube stats that 75% of the people who are watching my videos are not subbed. And I think it's great that you guys are watching, and if you enjoy them, please consider subscribing. That'd help out a lot. Next thing I want to mention is this right here, this iFixit toolkit. So a little while ago, I reached out to iFixit and was saying, hey, I think your products look really cool. I think I would have a good use for them. Would you be willing to send me one? And they replied, and I want to just give a huge thanks to Kelsey at iFixit and everybody there for supporting me. They were very encouraging, and being willing to send a nice kit like that to a small channel like me was really helpful, and I've gotten a lot of good use out of it. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up in a card. So the next new thing I want to cover is 3passion.com. Now this is a new website, and it's kind of a model marketplace for creators to go on and find really high quality 3D models for them to print. Now some of these are paid, some of them are free, and I've became the 3rd creator signed up on that website, so definitely go check it out. Nearly all of my weekly print and paints are now posted there. Some of them are free, some of them have a small fee, but if you want to consider purchasing those, that would be a huge help, and I really like what Vlad is doing with the website, so definitely go check it out. So next thing is the super cheap do-it-yourself 3D printer. That project is still going super strong, and you can expect part 3 to come out very soon. So something that I wanted to talk about is something very big in my life is FRC, and that stands for the First Robotics Competition. I'm on number 4967, that one team, and the way it works is that on January 5th, we are told what game we have and what objectives our robot must complete, and then we have 6 weeks to build a robot. So that is just going to be insanely busy for me. I'm going to be spending every weeknight there, and so through the period of January, I have some videos stacked up that I'm hoping to release on Friday still, but the weekly print and paint series on Wednesdays may stop during that time, but I promise it'll be back up and running as soon as my schedule calms down. And on that note, please let me know if you enjoy the weekly print and paint series. The idea really came out of me just wanting to print more stuff and design more cool stuff. It's really a great motivator to be able to share that with you guys and document the whole progress. I know those videos don't get as much views as the other ones, but I have a ton of fun making those. So let me know if you like those, and please let me know if you have any video ideas or stuff you'd like to see. Let me know what type of video you like best. Leave that in the comments below. I will reply to all of them, and I'll be making a note of that for future video ideas. Thanks a lot, guys.